Welcome to Study Loop.
Solving part A of this problem. So here I can write k1 plus u1 is equal to k2 plus u2. Now on further simplification, I can write the next expression as or half mv1 square plus mgy1 is equal to half mv2 square plus 0. So finally you can write the expression for v2 square as v2 square is equal to v1 square plus 2g y1 because this because on further simplification you can finally write the value of v2 h under root v1 square plus 2g y1. Now here you can write the value of vx as Vx is equal to 3 cos 37 degree, that is 2.39 meter per second, and Vy is equal to V sin theta, that is equal to 3 sin 37 degree, which is equal to 1.80 meter per second. Now you can write the expression for the calculation of final velocity as Vy dash is equal to under root Vy square plus 2gh, which is equal to under root 1.8 square plus 2 multiplication 9.8 multiplication 4, that is equal to 9.03 meter per second. Now the expression for the final velocity is given by Vf dash is equal to under root Vx square plus Vy dash square. So on further simplification, it will be equal to under root 2.39 square plus 9.03 square, which is equal to 9.34 meter per second. Now for part B, here you can write the arrangement as m1v1 minus m2v2 is equal to m1 plus m2 multiplication v. So here we have to calculate the value of v, which is equal to m1 v1 minus m2 v2 by m1 plus m2. On further simplification, you can write v is equal to v is equal to 50 multiplication 5 minus 15 multiplication 2.39 by 50 plus 15. So it will be equal to 3.3 meter per second as the speed of the car. I hope you understand it.